Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm trading binary options using a Telegram signal bot called VolumFX, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how I use it as a part of my trading process. This is not about random guesses, it's not about hype, it's not about chasing candles or making emotional decisions. It's about structure, it's about following signals, it's about execution. Binary options trading moves fast, very fast. Opportunities appear and disappear within minutes, sometimes within seconds. And that speed is exactly why many traders struggle. They hesitate, they overthink, they enter too late, or they close too early. And after a few emotional decisions, the account starts going in the wrong direction. That's one of the main reasons why signal-based trading systems have become so popular, especially trading bots like VolumFX. So let's talk about what VolumFX actually is. VolumFX is a Telegram-based signal bot designed especially for binary options trading. It does not trade automatically on your account. Instead, it provides you with structured trading signals that you execute manually on your platform. That's an important difference. You are still in control, you are still placing the trade, but the analysis is done by the bot. And that removes one of the most difficult parts of trading, analyzing the market under pressure. The process of using VolumFX is simple. Inside Telegram, you open the bot. You select the currency pair you want to trade. This could be Euro USD, GBP USD, USD GPY, AUD USD, whatever is available and active. After selecting the pair, you choose the expiration time. Expiration time is extremely important in binary options trading. A 1-minute trade behaves very differently from a 5-minute trade. The rhythm of price movement changes depending on the time frame. VolumFX allows you to choose the expiration that fits your approach. Whether you prefer faster setups or slightly longer moves, the option is there. Once you select the currency pair and the expiration time, you request a signal. At the point the bot analyzes the market conditions. It processes price movement, short-term volatility and volume behavior. It looks for patterns that statistically favor a certain direction. And then it sends you a clear signal, up or down, call or put. There is no confusion, no long explanation, just direction. When that signal arrives, the most important thing is execution speed. Binary options are sensitive to timing. Even a small delay can affect the result. So when the signal appears, the goal is to open the trade immediately in the direction provided. That's it. Simple structure. One of the biggest advantages of using a signal bot like VolumFX is emotional control. Most traders don't lose because they don't understand the market, they lose because of emotional reactions. After one loss, they try to recover too fast, and this process is called martingale. After one win, they become overconfident. You wait for the signal, you follow the signal, you don't add personal options in the middle. That clarity changes the way trading feels. Instead of being chaotic and stressful, it becomes mechanical and repeatable. Another reason I like using VolumFX is accessibility. Everything happens inside Telegram. You don't need complicated software, you don't need multiple monitors, you don't need advanced charting tools. If you have Telegram on your phone or computer, you can use the bot. That makes it accessible to almost anyone, regardless of experience level. And yes, the VolumFX Telegram bot is available through the link in the description below. It is accessible to absolutely everyone. There are no complicated steps. You open the link, you access the bot, you choose your pair and expiration, and you start requesting signals. Now let's talk about mindset while using trading signals. A lot of people make the mistake of expecting perfections. They expect every signal to win, and that's unrealistic. Trading is probability game. It's about staking favorable situations over time. The goal is not to win every single trade. The goal is to follow structured system consistently. When you shift your mindset from I need this trade to win to I need to follow the process, everything becomes more stable. VolomeFix provides the process. You don't need to reinvent the strategy every day, you don't need to constantly search for new indicators. The bot follows the algorithm consistently. This consistency is powerful. Binary options trading without structure often feels like gambling. But when you introduce signals, rules and repeatable steps, it transforms into something much more controlled. Another important factor is focus. When you use VolomeFix, you are not staring at charts for hours trying to force entries. You wait, you request the signal, you act when necessary. It also prevents overtrading, which is one of the most common problems in the fast market. Overtrading happens when traders feel the need to always be in position. But not every minute is a good opportunity. Using a signal bot introduces rhythms. Signal execution weight. That rhythm creates discipline naturally. I have experimented with many trading approaches: manual indicator strategy, price action analysis, pattern trading. Signal-based trading through Telegram is one of the most streamlined and practical systems I have used for binary options. It fits modern trading behavior. We are already using messaging apps every day. Having trading signals delivered directly into Telegram simplifies the workflow. There is no switching between 10 windows, no complex dashboards. Everything is centralized. Another thing I have noticed is that signal-based trading encourages consistency in behavior. When you manually analyze chart, your interpretation can change depending on your mood. You might see a bullish setup one moment and dope it the next. With VolomeFix, interpretation is removed. The signal is clear. Up, down, your role is execution. That separation between analysis and execution can be very powerful. It creates focus. You are not multitasking mentally. You are following instructions. Now, does this mean you should blindly follow any signal without understanding anyone? No. It's always important to understand the basic of how binary options work. Know how expiration affects outcome, know how your trading platform executes orders, know how fast you need to react. The more comfortable you are with execution, the smoother the process becomes. VolomeFix is a tool, and like any tool, it becomes more effective when used properly. Another thing worth mentioning: inconsistency over time. One trade does not define result, one session does not define performance. What matters is repetition. Following the same structured process across multiple signals. That's how probability works in your favor. Many traders fail because they judge a system too quickly. They try it for one or two trades. If something doesn't go perfectly, they abandon it. But real results come from structured repetition. VolomeFix is designed to be part of long-term approach, not a one-click miracle, and that realistic mindset is important. If you're watching this and thinking about trying the bot, again, the Telegram link is in the description and it's available to absolutely everyone. Open it, explore the interface, get familiar with how signals are delivered. Practice reacting quickly and confidently. Binary options reward precision and timing. Signal-based systems like VolomeFix are built specifically to support that. To summarize the workflow: open Telegram, access VolomeFix, choose your currency pairs, select expiration time, request a signal, execute immediately in the provided direction. Clear setups, clear structure, and when structure replaces chaos, trading becomes far more manageable. So in this session, that's exactly what I'm doing. Trading binary options using signal from the VolomeFix Telegram bot. No complicated analysis, no emotional improvisation, just structured signals and execution. If you're interested in seeing more live trading sessions, more signal-based experiments and more breakdowns of how the system works in real conditions, make sure to stay connected. And once again, if you want access to VolumFX, change the link in the description below. It's available to absolutely everyone. Thanks for watching.